Hello students, good morning. Welcome back in my video. I am Dr. K.K. Shahsan, Maths Professor. Guys, as you know very well that we are studying IGCSE Maths 0580 extended paper nowadays. Chapter 1 and 2 are almost finished. Only indices topic left. In the previous video, guys, we studied about the laws and formula of the indices. Today we are taking the chapter number 1, number systems, indices, the problem based on indices in the number system, guys. See question number 1. Simplify 7 by x to the power minus 3. Guys, as you know, we have studied all the formula and identity previously. So we will use directly the identities. This is the 7 by x to the power minus 3, power is negative. So we have formula, we can make the power positive by reciprocate it, okay. So we will use 7 by x to the power minus 3. We have formula, guys. A to the power minus x equal to 1 by a to the power x, okay. Power is negative, so we will reciprocate. So guys, it will be 7 by x equal to minus 3. So it will be x by 7 equal to plus 3. We will reciprocate to the base, okay. Here base is a, but here base is 7 by x to the power minus 3. It will be x by 7 to the power 3. Okay guys, now it can be solved. X cube, it is a variable, so it will be written same by 7 cube, okay. So x cube by 7 multiply 7 guys, it is 7 multiply 7, we will multiply it. 7 multiply 7 equal to 49, okay. 49 multiplies by 7 equal to, answer will be x cube by 7 9 63, 7 4 28, 28 plus 6 34. X cube by 343 will be the answer of this question, guys, by applying this identity a to the power minus x equal to 1 to the power x, okay. Whenever the power is negative, so we will reciprocate to the base, okay. So it will be reciprocal, numerator in the denominator, and denominator will be in the numerator, okay. This is simple type of the question. It is 1 or 2 marks question. Now question number 2, h square into h to the power 5, okay guys. We know product formula, x to the power m or a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. When the bases are same, powers are different or same, okay. So it's after multiplication powers are added, okay. It is h to the power 2 plus 5. We have used the formula a to the power m multiply a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n, okay guys. So it is h to the power 5 plus 2 equal to 7. So this is also a simple question. H to the power 7 will be the answer, okay guys. Now see question number 3. It is somewhat different. Simplify a to the power 8 divide a to the power r equal to a to the power 2 a square, okay. Find the value of r. This is r, okay. Find the value of r, guys. This is the equation type of the question. Bases are same. In the equation left hand side is a to the power 8 divide a to the power r equal to a square, okay. So bases are same in the left hand side and right hand side. So whenever the bases are same in the equation, in the indices equation, the powers can be equated. This is the rule. I have written the note for you for solving this question. You should keep in the mind. In the equation type of the question of indices, both sides of the sign must be same base. If the bases are not same, we can factorize the base to make them same. Guys, here is no need to factorize. Here just we make bases are same, so we will equate. First of all, we will use the identity in the left hand side. The left hand side identity is a to the power m divide a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n, okay. Quotient law. So a to the power 8 minus r equal to a square. We will mention the law. A to the power m divide a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. This is a very important law. We will write in here. Okay. Now, a to the, as I told you that when bases are same in the equation, the powers can be equated. So bases are same, powers are 8 minus r equal to 2. Okay, these are the powers. Now simplify it. So r equal to 8 minus 2 equal to positive r, or r equal to 6. This r equal to 6 will be the answer of this equation. Okay guys, keep in the mind, in the equation type of the question of the indices, both sides of the equal. Okay, both sides of the equal sign must be same. If the bases are not same, we can factorize. But in this question, the bases are same, but maybe in the different question, bases are not same. So we will take different example, guys. This is the example number, question number 4 is 81 to the power 2 divide 3 to the power t equal to 9. Okay guys, find the value of t. It is all the equation of type of the question. You see, left hand side and right hand side. But here bases are not same. So this is a rule that when bases are not same, so we will make it same if possible by prime factorization. Okay guys, so prime factorization of 81 equal to, the question is 81 square minus 3 to the power t equal to 9. Prime factorization of 81 is by 3, 3 2 the, 3 7 the, 3 9 the, 3 3 and 3 1. Okay, and here 9, prime factorization of 9 will write here 3 is a 9, 3 1 the 3. Okay guys, so 1 2 3 4. So we can write 3 to the power 4, okay, of 81 and whole power 2. It is already given. We will write same, minus 3 to the power t equal to 9 equal to 3 to the power 2. 2 times 3, 3 square. Okay, simply. Now, first of all, we will simplify that power is inside the bracket and outside the bracket. Guys, we will apply the formula. Which formula? When the power is inside of the bracket and outside the bracket, we will multiply the formula powers. So 3 to the power 4 multiplied 2 minus 3 to the power t equal to 3 square. Using which formula? Using x to the power m whole power n equal to x to the power n multiply n. Okay, this is the rule, and this is very important rule. Okay, so it is 3 to the power 4 to the 8 minus 3 to the power t equal to 3 square. Now it is the same situation of like previous question. Bases are same. It is equation. The left hand side power and right hand side power to be equated. Okay, so it is division. This is divide. I wrote minus. This is divide, guys. So in the division, one more formula will be applied here. In the division, powers are subtracted. So it is 8 minus t equal to 2. We will write the formula. X to the power m divide x to the power n equal to x to the power m minus n. We mention the formula always. Okay. So it will be 8 minus t equal to 2. So t equal to 6. Okay guys, t equal to 6 will be the answer of this question when this is the equation type of the question when bases are different, so powers are we will do the prime factorization of the bases, then make it equate like the equation. Okay guys, so this is the answer by using these formulae. Guys, other question is simplify 2 to the power 243 y to the power 10 whole power 3 by 5. In this type of question, if any number has a power in fraction, do prime factorization of the base to simplify. Okay, first of all we will use the formula of power law. So power law is equal to 243 y to the power 10 equal to whole power 3 by 5. So it is 243 power 3 by 5, and y to the power 10 into 3 by 5. We have used the formula a into b whole power n equal to a to the power n into b to the power n. Okay guys, we use this formula. Now it is, we will factorize this. Factorization of 243. So 243 is factorization. 3 8, 3 1, 3, 27, 3 9, 3 3 and 3 1. So 3 to the power 5. Okay guys, and whole power 3 by 5, and y to the power, now it is power 10 into 3 by 5. We use this formula. Which formula? X to the power m whole power n equal to x to the power m multiply n. We have used the formula here, we mention here. Here again we will use this formula. So 3 to the power 5 into 3 by 5, and y to the power 5 1 the 5, 5 to the 10, 2 3 the 6, y to the power 6, 5 1 the 5, here also will cancel by 5. So 3 to the power 3 and y to the power 6. 3 to the power 3 equal to 3 into 3 into 3, y to the power 6, that is 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, y to the power 6. Okay guys, 3 to 27 y to the power 6 will be the answer of this question. Okay guys. Now see the other question. Simplify 343 x to the power n 9 and whole power 2 by 3. So again we will simplify this. Okay. So 343, first of all we use the formula 343 whole power 2 by 3 into x to the power 9 whole power 2 by 3 by separation formula x to the power x into y whole power n equal to x to the power n. Okay guys, into y to the power n. Okay. Now factorization of 343 equal to 343, 3 1 the 3. No, this is 7 by 7. 7 4 28 and 7 9. Okay, 49 times 7 and 7 1. Okay guys, it is the multiplication of 7 to the power 3 whole power 2 by 3 prime factorization of 343. It is equal to 7 to the power 3 whole power 2 by 3 into x to the power 9 multiplied 2 by 3. Here we have used the power law. Which power law? X to the power m whole power n equal to x to the power m multiply n. Okay guys, we use this formula. 3 1 the 3, 3 3 the 9. Here again we use the power law 2 by 3, 3 1 the 3, 3 1 the 3. Here x to the power 3 to the 6. So guys, 7 to the power 2 x to the power 6 and 7 to the power 2 equal to 7 into 7 x to the power 6 equal to 49 x to the power 6 will be the required answer. Okay guys, these are the few questions we have solved. You also try different question guys. These types of questions are based of the number system of chapter number 1. We will solve in next video. We will take more questions. Guys, try these questions again and again, and this type of questions from book also. Whenever you feel any problem guys, so you can ask me. First learn all the rules and laws of indices, because indices, I told in the starting, the indices is very important and crucial topic for the purpose of examination. All these questions are based on 2 marks question, like, okay, so don't miss this question. Practice. Thank you very much. All the best guys. Thank you. Good luck.